Clayton Peterson is not your average senior citizen. He has a physique that would make most men half his age jealous. He has a face that radiates charm and charisma. He has a ripped physique, a handsome face, and a confident attitude that makes him stand out from the crowd. He is modeled for brands like Calvin Klein, Hugo Boss, and Ralph Lauren, and has appeared in magazines like Men's Health and GQ. Basically, he's the guy you don't want your girlfriend talking to. And here's the kicker. Clayton is 60 years old. 60! You've probably heard the saying, age is just a number, and Clayton can confidently say that he feels sexier at 60 than he did at 20. But Clayton Peterson's life was not always this glamorous and exciting. During his youth, Clayton actually had to follow in his father's footsteps and become a lawyer, which isn't glamorous material, to be honest. He married his high school sweetheart and had 4 children with her. He worked hard to provide for his family and to be a good husband and father. But over time, Clayton felt like he was living someone else's life and not his own. He felt like he had lost his passion and that he had let himself go physically and mentally. He was overweight, out of shape, and depressed. So, Clayton decided to make a change and follow his dreams. He decided to quit his job as a lawyer and pursue his passion for fitness and modeling. He also divorced his wife and started a new life in New York City. Clayton knew it was a risky move, so he had no choice but to make it work. He started working out every day, eating healthy, and taking care of himself. He also started going to auditions and networking with people in the industry. He faced a lot of rejections and challenges, but he never gave up. He kept pushing himself and improving himself, and his hard work paid off. Clayton landed his first modeling gig at the age of 50. That's the age when most people are looking forward to their retirement. Since then, Clayton has become one of the most sought-after models in the world, working with some of the most prestigious brands and photographers. He has also become a fitness icon, inspiring millions of people with his amazing transformation. But how does Clayton manage to feel sexier at 60 than he did at 20? Well, according to him, this is no secret formula or magic pill. It all comes down to 4 simple things: diet, exercise, mindset, and fun. Diet. Clayton follows a balanced and nutritious diet that consists of lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. He avoids processed foods, refined sugars, alcohol, and caffeine as much as possible. He says he eats to fuel his body and not to satisfy his cravings. He also drinks plenty of water and green tea to stay hydrated and detoxified. Exercise. Clayton works out 6 days a week for about an hour each session. He does a combination of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises that target all his major muscle groups. He says he likes to mix up his routine and try new things to keep his body challenged and his mind engaged. He also enjoys outdoor activities like running, biking, swimming, and playing sports with his kids. Mindset. Clayton believes that attitude is everything when it comes to aging well. He says he always tries to be positive, optimistic, grateful, and happy. He doesn't let stress or negativity get to him, and he doesn't compare himself to others. He says he focuses on his own goals and dreams and pursues them with passion and determination. He also says he loves himself and accepts his flaws as a part of his uniqueness. Fun. Clayton says that having fun is essential for living a good life. He says he always tries to find joy and humor in everything he does. He doesn't take himself too seriously, and he doesn't sweat the small stuff. He says he enjoys life and does what makes him happy. So what can we learn from Clayton Peterson? Here are some key takeaways. Follow your dreams. Don't be afraid to pursue your passion and change your life for the better. Take care of yourself. Eat well, exercise regularly, and stay mentally and emotionally healthy. Be positive. Adopt a positive mindset and be grateful for what you have. Love yourself. Accept yourself as you are and don't let others define you. Have fun. Enjoy life and do what makes you happy. If you follow these steps, you too can feel sexier at 60 than you did at 20. or at any age for that matter. Remember, it's never too late to start living your best life. Clayton Peterson is an inspiration, proving that being sexy is not about how you look, but how you feel. If you want to see more inspirational videos, then you've come to the right place. Just subscribe to our channel, and you can get started from our wide range of collections.